In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix post failures in Sprout Social Publishing Tool. If you've ever queued up content only to find it didn't publish, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you identify what went wrong and get your post back on track. Start by heading to Publishing and opening the Failed Posts section. This is your central place for anything that didn't make it out to a social network. You'll see a list of posts that errored out, along with which profile they were intended for and when they were scheduled. Pick one failed post to focus on so you can diagnose a single issue clearly before trying to fix others. Once you've opened the failed post, click Show Details or View Post. This is where Sprout explains why the post failed. Read that message carefully. It's the most direct clue you'll get. You'll often see notes about content limits or a platform-specific rule that blocked the post. Two of the most common causes are character limits and duplicate content rules. Character limits vary by network. X, formerly Twitter, has tighter limits than Instagram or LinkedIn, so a caption that's fine on one platform can be too long on another. Remember that characters include spaces, hashtags, and mentions. If you see a length warning, try shortening the text, trimming extra hashtags, or saving longer explanations for a different network. It can help to create network-specific versions of your caption, so each one fits comfortably within the limit. Duplicate content rules are another frequent blocker. Some networks reject identical or near-identical posts published repeatedly or across profiles within a short time frame. If you run into this, rephrase your copy, rotate hashtags, or adjust timing so the content isn't seen as a repeat. Even small wording changes can make a difference. If the problem persists after you've addressed those issues, try reconnecting the social profile entirely. This refreshes permissions and tokens with the network and resolves a lot of hidden authentication hiccups. You may need the correct profile login and the right level of access, so plan for that before you start. Next, double-check your user permissions in Sprout. Make sure your account has publishing rights for the specific profile and that there aren't any approval workflows blocking the post. If approvals are required, confirm the post has actually been approved before attempting to publish again. Finally, if you're still stuck, reach out to Sprout support. Include the exact failure message, the social profile, the time the post was scheduled, and a copy of the post content. The more precise your details, the faster they can help you resolve it and keep your publishing schedule running smoothly.